When you first hear the word Python, what comes to mind? A giant snake? A dangerous jungle creature? Surprise, Python is actually one of the most popular computer languages in the world. But here's the twist, it has nothing to do with snakes. The name comes from a British comedy show called Monty Python. Sounds funny, right? Just wait till you see what this language can really do. Think of Python like a Swiss Army knife. One tool with endless possibilities. Want to build a website? Python can do it. Curious about artificial intelligence? Python is behind it. Even the apps you use daily, from Instagram to Spotify, are powered by Python. It's like learning one language and suddenly, the entire digital world opens up for you. Most programming languages feel like solving a math puzzle, complicated, full of symbols. But Python? It feels almost like reading English. You can write a simple program in just a few lines, and it works. That's why NASA scientists, data detectives, and even school kids love using it. It turns scary programming into something friendly and fun. Here's a secret. Python isn't powerful because it's complex. It's powerful because it's simple. That simplicity makes it perfect for beginners, yet strong enough for experts running billion-dollar systems. Imagine a language that's easy enough for you, but trusted by Google, Netflix, and NASA for their most critical projects. That's Python. Did you know Python is actually one of the fastest-growing languages on the planet? Some people think programmers learn it just for AI. But here's the truth. Python is everywhere, from designing video games and robots, to predicting weather, to even exploring space. Wherever technology grows, Python silently powers it. But here's the real magic. Python has a community. Millions of programmers around the globe share code, solve problems, and create together. It's not just a language, it's a movement. That means if you ever get stuck, there's always someone somewhere ready to help you. Learning Python is like joining a family that's building the future of technology. So, what is Python? It's not just code on a screen. It's the language behind your favorite apps, the secret behind modern science, and maybe your own first step into the world of programming. Who knows? Your next big idea could be written in Python, too. If this blew your mind, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got another tech mystery in mind? Drop it in the comments. Join the ThalaBytes journey, where learning meets magic.